Hi, I'm Scott from Tentworld, Brendale, and today we'll be looking at the Pro Nano Squad Cookset. So the Pro Nano Squad Cookset includes a ladle and spatula, 4 bowls, 1 litre pot with lid, a 1.7 litre pot with lid, Frypan, Nylon Scourer Pad and a mesh storage bag. The total weight is 760 grams and is actually a 9-piece cookset. Hard anodised aluminium construction. It's got heat resistant handles, it's easy to clean, abrasion and corrosion resistant. So that was the Pro Nano Squad Cookset. We've also got the Pro Nano Solo Cookset in the range and the Pro Nano Duo Cookset. Signing out from Tentworld, Brendale.